Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get data at cheap rate. Okay, if you're using MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile and Airtel, okay, you can actually come on this particular platform and get data at cheap price. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys how you can do this. Okay, so before I show you how to create account and how to fund your account, let me quickly show you around the website. Okay, so right here you can see these are the buttons or features they actually have here. So what you want to do right now is to click on this option right here showing data. Okay, so once you click on data, it's gonna take few time to load. You can see I have 2700 right here, so you just have to scroll down and then select the network you are using. Okay, so let me look for, okay, let me just show you guys their packages. Okay, so let's try for MTN. Okay, so you go for the gifting data. If you want to go for gifting, if you want to go for coupon data, you go for this. If you want to go for corporate data, which is the normal data on MTN, you select this. And if you just want to go for other ones, you just select any of the options. So they are going to show you the prices of their data packages. So right here you can see you can get 500 MB for 120 naira, and you can get 2 gig at 230 naira. And right here you can get 3 gig at 690 naira. Okay, so just like that you can keep scrolling down and then you see more packages for yourself. So here you can see 10 gig at 2500 2215 naira. Okay, if you're buying directly from MTN, I think their 10 gig is around 3000 naira, and that is how it is for others as well. Okay, I think Glo has the cheapest data packages right here. So let me check for Glo and then see what they have. Okay, so I'll just go back and then reselect. Okay, you can actually check other networks. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will just check for Glo and then I'll purchase the data. So you guys, for those of you who are going to be selling data, you can actually use this platform and start making profit for yourself. Okay, so I'll just click this, I'll scroll down and then I'll select Glo data. Okay, so you can see right here with 460 naira you can get 1.8 gig that is going to last you for 14 days. Okay, and this one is actually for 1 week, 1350 naira, and you're going to get 7 gig. And these ones right here are monthly. Okay, these ones are monthly. You can see this is 3.9, this is 7.5 for 1350, this is 9.2 gig for 1850, this is 10.8 gig for 2300. So let me try for this 14 gig. Okay, so I just clicked on it. I'm just gonna put my phone number right here. Okay, so after putting my phone number, I will just click on this option. Okay, so once I click on this option, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, you can see right there it is loading, and right here is it just showed us transaction processing. Okay, so I'll just click on OK and wait to see when the transaction will complete. Okay, so let me quickly go right here and then check transaction details. Okay, this is where you check your transaction details to know if it is successful or it is pending. Okay, so I'll just click on it and then wait for some seconds to finish loading. Okay, so right here you can see it is successful. Okay, so right here you can see it has been successful. You can see it right here, it is showing success. Okay, so for those of you who are going to be selling data, so to get more info and then print receipt for yourself, you just click on more info. Okay, so you can see right here, you can see the date, you can see the reference, you can see the old balance, you can see my new balance has changed, and you can see the number I recharged. Okay, and you can see the status right here is success. If it shows fail, the money is going to rebounce back to your account right here. Okay, so if you want to print it, you're just going to click on this option right here, and then they are going to send you the transaction receipt on your email. Okay, so there you can send to any of your clients that you want to send the data too. Okay, so if you want to go for airtime, right here is the options for airtime. Okay, and they also have referral program on the platform. If you one of those people who are very good at referring people and joining platforms, you can actually use this and make some money for yourself. Okay, so right here you can see they're going to ask you for the number, the network you want, and then the amount you want to recharge. Okay, you can actually use this place as well to send airtime to people. Okay, so another feature right here is okay, they have the airtime e-pin, they have the data, they have data coupons, so you can just take your time. They have cable. If you want to pay for your 𝐑𝐄𝐃 cables and all those stuff, you can pay for it. Your electricity bill, all those things are being done on this platform. Okay, so if you have any issues with them, you can click here to get to their customer service. Okay, so guys, you can actually try this website out. So to fund your account, all you just have to do is to click on fund. Okay, so once you click on fund, it's going to show you different ways you can actually make payments. Okay, I prefer the transfer pay, so this is the option I use, so I prefer this. Okay, so once you go for this, the transaction reflects very easily. So once you click on it, it's just gonna show you account details right here. You can actually select anyone and pay to them. So once your transaction is complete, it's going to reflect on your dashboard immediately, and then you can buy data for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description of this video, so make sure you use the link to sign up and then start working on this website. Okay, so if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the new updates I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.